Welcome back to the Headfonia YouTube channel, where we today will be looking at the oBravo RAW CCU. As you can see, this monitor comes in a big white box and it has the oBravo logo stamped in the top left corner. As you may or may not know, this actually is one of the world's most expensive IEMs, and it retails for about 10,000 US dollars. So let's open it up and see what you get for all that money. And there we go. The first thing you get is this beautifully wrapped, and it's really top quality paper, and it's a little welcoming word from the oBravo owner, and it says a little something in 3 different languages. It's a nice touch. Then the package itself. You have the beautiful monitors in the bottom. There's a 6.3mm adapter. You have a nice wooden box that you can use for on the go, and then there's the big box which you can use for on your desk. So let's have a closer look. This carrying box is actually quite heavy. It's a top quality wood. It has the RAW CCU oBravo logo on top. It's actually a magnetic box, and when you open it up you can see that it has a soft top, so it won't damage your monitors when they're inside. And there are special cutouts in the wood where you can place your RAW CCU in there, and then they will be fully protected. The nice thing is that you can take this part out and you can wrap the cable all around it when your monitors are in there, and then you can put everything back into the box and take it with you. I really enjoy using this box. Sure, it's a bit heavy, but they're really well protected, and it's such a nice box even to just put on your desk at your office. What else do we have? Well, that's the big box, and that's actually the box that oBravo suggests you use when you use the RAW CCU at home. Let's put the big box away. And this is a nice wooden box as well. It's finished with a shiny lacquer, and it has a real nice build quality to it. And the bottom actually is a kind of velour, so it won't scratch your desk. When we open up the box, you will see that there is also like this foam with a cutout to put your monitors in. And when you lift it up, you can see that they have an extra space where you can put your cable. So you don't have to disconnect the cable to keep your monitors in your office, and when you close it, they will be perfectly safe in this beautiful box. Alright, so just give me a few seconds to get the monitors out of the box and we'll continue this video. Okay, before I show you the monitors in detail, I quickly want to show you what was hidden in the second layer in this box. You get the standard oBravo cable with the MMCX connectors. Do note that these aren't the standard MMCX ones, and they have been modified a bit, so you can't just use any cable that you want. Next to that we have T500 tips from Comply Phone in 3 different sizes. We have an oBravo labeled cleaning cloth, and you have the large, medium and small size of these silicone tips. And that's about it accessory wise, so let's go to the monitors itself. So finally I get to show you the monitors itself. Let's see if I can get the camera to zoom into it. There we go. So on the outside you have a beautiful wooden piece which even has the oBravo logo etched into it, and it has 8 little sound bars. The RAW CCU, of course, is a copper built monitor, so it has a copper shell which looks really nice as well. And here we have these special MMCX connectors, so they are a little bit more recessed, which means that you cannot just use any cable you want. And then to finish it off, you have a ceramic tip on which you put your silicone or your foam tips, and it has a nice little drill to prevent any wax from getting into the sound canal. If you look closely, now I'm not sure if that's possible with this camera, but you can even see the AMT driver inside of the monitor. It's really nice, perfectly finished. They're a bit heavy, about 11 or 12 grams, but at the same time they're not too heavy, so they will always stay safely in your ear. Yeah, just basically a beautiful monitor, and we look forward to listening to these. Thank you for watching another Headfonia video, and as always, we'll be back soon, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.